Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. We are here in the Keys. I look crusty because I have been sleeping. But I got these sunglasses at a gas station, so that's cool. They're setting up the tent, and yeah, I'm just gonna vlog this whole trip. Shade is the broom. Floor mats. We have a floor mat. It's like bougie.
It's like sharp.
What, the rocks?
Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah, there's like a rock sticking up right there. So we're getting everything set up.
Wait,
Millie doesn't have a cap to her air mattress.
get another tape. Oh my god, wait, I think more. Oh my god. This might work. Yeah, it works.
Yes.
So too.
Yes. This is our bathroom. It's a porta potty. It's not that bad, to be honest. It doesn't smell too bad. Hey. I spent 5 minutes trying to find the flusher for the toilet before I realized that porta potties don't have flushers. Ow. I think I just stepped on a thorn. This is so pretty. I don't know if this is a good idea.
This is taking forever.
Yeah. Recording. We're on the beach. Really
Wait,
nice.
Put your phone down for a second.
But oh my god, it's freezing. There's rocks.
Yeah.
What?
So we're camping, right? And all of our air mattresses. Have you already talked about this? Well, like our air mattresses, we had to duct tape it because we forgot everything. The sun is in my eyes. All of the air is already falling out of it, and we have to sleep on that tonight. So hopefully we're okay. We're in Bahia, Honda. Look at the beach.
Shane and I are exploring now. We just took a fat nap. Millie is still sleeping. Liz and Tyler are nowhere to be found.
Yeah, we don't
have
know
no idea
where
they are.
went.
So we're just walking around. Yeah, right.
I don't like
Publix adventure.
Hi.
I look like a
a
ghost.
mess.
I look like a ghost.
Disgusting.
No, this one. Look how bright those look. With pole.
Oh, please. I hate it. Wait, we still need marshmallows.
And chips. Doritos. Purple.
Bravo,
What?
we don't have wood.
Let's just find sticks in the woods.
What? No, my dad told us explicitly not to do that.
Oh, why?
Because it's endangered.
Bless you. Loaded.
Just put it back like somewhere. Look how pretty the background looks.
We're supposed to cook with this? Wash what?
Wait, I need to
Ah, you're like getting it on me. I want soap on my foot.
18 and 1, Dr. Bronner's hemp peppermint
This
soap.
is not
You need to
sponsored.
wash it.
Mm-hmm.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Why don't we transfer some of the coal?
It's on fire.
Oh.
How are you gonna transfer fire with the spatula?
And we just
We just like flip it.
Yeah, we just like. Oh my god!
4 in the morning and you break the cooler.
I need to open the tent.
Oh my god!
Wow. I
No.
did. Okay.
It's 4 in the morning. No. Are you
We need a towel. Where's the towel at? Where's the towel? There's so much ice. It was all going perfectly.
It was so nice in here. Key West.
Hi.
Oh shit.
Look at that building.
That's big.
Look how cute it is here. It's like
Every house is like a cute color.
0.2 miles. We're gonna turn
Punch
left.
buggy. Here? No, do not enter.
I guess at the light. Okay. Only hear the birds. Look at the tree.
Hear the birds.
You didn't hear the birds?
No?
I heard the birds.
What birds?
They're like chirp chirp. Look at those pedestrians. I hate
Pasta cafe.
Oh, I love pasta. That's so good.
Pizza, Alfredo's.
This is so cute. What the we don't need this.
What do you mean?
But it's blocking the view. It looks like a foot. Yo, look, there's a bunch of people there.
So this park is under construction, but we're walking on it anyway. Because I need to find a bathroom because I've had to pee for the past hour and a half.
We should get out of this. Do you think we should stay here?
We should find a toilet. We're on the bottom of Florida. Woo!
We're on the bottom of the United States.
What is that? I'm scared.
We don't need to get that big ass canoe.
What do you mean?
Look how big it is. We're gonna be like
Really? Come with us. No, I'm just gonna watch you guys. Look how pretty that. It's so pretty.
Okay, shoot. But this one's only. Why are they so far apart?
It's so big
That's how a
though.
canoe is. That's
But
like
it's so big.
But I feel like we could all fit. Look at lizard. Should we go?
I don't know. All of us. All of us.
We're going canoeing.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We'll put in the water.
Okay, we're cooking some marshmallows now.
Yes.
Show me the marshmallows.
They're on the floor.
They're the jumbo ones. Show me them.
These are the jumbo marshmallows.
I want to catch it on fire. Oh!
Yo.
Good morning, vlog. We're leaving this morning, so right now we're making breakfast. We're attempting to make eggs. Oh, is it working? Sorta.
Hey.
Yes.
This is so. Okay. What?